So, what actually is code? Just take a look at this blank screen for a second. Right now, it does absolutely nothing. It's just empty space. Waiting. But, watch this. Let's draw a circle. Draw a square. Throw in a line. And draw another line. Suddenly, something actually appears. Now, the screen didn't decide what to draw here. It was just following instructions. Well, computers work the exact same way. They don't make decisions on their own. They're just sitting there, waiting for instructions. Think about it like this. Imagine you open up a navigation app. The map pops up. The roads appear. And everything is ready to go. But still, nothing happens. Why? Simple. Because you haven't entered a destination yet. The app is just waiting for instructions. But the moment you type in where you want to go, instantly, a route appears. Go straight. Turn left. And go straight again. A few minutes later, you arrive exactly where you wanted to be. See what I mean? Those are instructions. The navigation app gives instructions to a human, and code gives instructions to a computer. That's really all code is. Just instructions. But here's the catch. Imagine if the route forgot to tell you to turn left. You'd just keep going straight, end up on the wrong road, and get completely lost. Computers have the exact same problem. If an instruction is missing, the computer can't guess what you meant. It only follows exactly what you give it. And that is what programming really is. Programming is just writing instructions. Clear instructions. Super detailed instructions. You tell the computer every single step it needs to follow. And when you do it right, the computer follows those instructions perfectly. Every single time. Fast. Like magic. But it's not magic. It's just really good instructions. Ready to write your first instruction? Let's go.